In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the forecast tool in HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here into your sales. And once you're in there, locate the option for forecast. So head over and click on this. Now we can see right here our forecast. So for this, you can head over and then set it up according to your liking. You can create a forecast type or create a goal. So for this, let's first create the forecast type. Input right here the forecast name. So for example, let's input right here pending. Input right here the date property. And then input right here the amount property. Then click on next. Then set your forecast submission schedule. It can actually pretend or it will depend on what you want. Assign it to selected teams and choose right here the frequency. And once you're done, you can head over and finish. Now, once you're there, you can head over and create a goal on your sales. Input right here the template that you wish to use. Your goal name, so for example, 1K subs. Choose right here the contributors. And from in there, choose your cadence. Click on next. Choose right here the performance that you want to target. Then after that, you can head over and click on next to apply the target that you want added right here. Enter the amount. Apply. Click on next. And then choose right here the settings that would you like to add as well. Let's choose right here these two and click on done. Once we're done, we have successfully set it up. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. If you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.